Right? Yeah, okay, there we go. Alright, so everything's fine. Okay. So first of all, let's go to the weekly. And that's if I go from weekly, daily, forever, 15-minute, okay? So basically right here, let's look for what's going on the weekly. So as you can see, it swept these lows, but it pushed higher. This is a lot more bearish strength. So it's using this inverse fair value gap to go lower towards these draws. It's rebalancing price because of this right here. So it's rebalancing price and then it shot here, and then even though it shot here, this fair value gap ultimately manipulated this. I mean, made the market go lower. So we have this manipulation and we have distribution like going towards this draw. We have a bearish bias. Okay, so let's just write that down. Bearish weekly bias. Okay, and then we go down to daily. Okay, now what do we see here? We have, obviously we know that the price is going towards the weekly bias, right? So now we're gonna disregard, we're gonna consider this, but we're not gonna exactly consider this fully, right? So we have a manipulation and then we have a distribution like at least towards this point. And it seems like we're using this fair value gap as an inverse. So we have a supply level order block right here. So as you can see, there's an order block right here. But this is the thing, right? So it's gonna keep going lower, right? It's gonna keep going lower. Balance this price and then go higher. Manipulate it and then go higher. Because it needs to rebalance this right here. So it's gonna go towards this point and go higher. Anyways, we have a bearish daily bias as well. Alright. So now what do we see on the forward? Okay. I can't speak whatsoever. But you see this order block right here? So you can see that there is a demand level order block over here. So we have this ranging. So let me just put that as order block demand. So what we're expecting price to do at this point in time, right? It keeps breaking structure towards the downside. So we are bullish, extremely bullish, as you can see. We just keep continuously breaking structure towards the downside. So what I'm expecting price to do in this point in time is, because it swept these lows, right? This specific short-term low, because it swept this low, I'm gonna expect price to come here and then reverse from there. Well, let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, so we see on the 15 minutes, obviously we know where price is headed towards. It's gonna sweep this low, come back, and then go lower. So until it makes a either it will, yeah, there's no way it's gonna go higher. It's just gonna sweep this and then go lower from all the way here, or just continues to go lower, even though this is a fake out. Anyways, I don't really trade USD JPY, so let me just put this on the side. Let's see. My bad, sorry. Okay, so let's do some fresh charting here. Let's make this quick. Okay, so we can see that this it took out the highs on the weekly, and we have a bearish weekly bias. So let's just put bearish because it's sweeping the highs. WB and something. Okay, so we have this. So we're expecting a manipulation in price. So we have this wick, right? And now we're going lower. And yeah, basically it's a bearish daily bias. Where to? It's pulling towards at least this area right here, this one. So basically I'm expecting price rebounds even at this zone because this is an order block. So I'm expecting a reaction here, either to go higher from here or just to sort of rebalance price and keep going higher. Because it keeps breaking structure towards the upside, as you can see, right? Unless we have like a big dip. So yeah, basically we should just observe what's gonna happen over here. As of right now, it seems like it's going lower. Yeah, so we're bearish daily bias, right? So now let's go down to the forward. So as you can see, this is the 1 day order block, as you can see. So we have this internal term high over here, which is swept, as you can see. It's sweeping this as well. So I'm expecting price to rebalance. So over here, you can see that this is a huge FVG. So I'm expecting price to use, because this manipulation was done. This was not really a sharp turn, but I'm expecting price to go much lower than this, right? I'm expecting price to go much lower. And we have an order block over here. So we have this fucking order block over here. It's a cool little order block at this point. So we see this manipulation. The fuck. Anyways, right here, as you can see, there's a 15-minute. I'm looking for like a. So as you can see, there's a manipulation right here, and we have equal highs. So I'm expecting price to break out, as in there's a lot of liquidity over here. So I'm expecting price to sort of reversal right after. Yeah, I'm expecting price to sort of go lower, much lower, at least until like this point, and then go higher from there. That would be fire though. Like you have this, you retrace all the way, and then you just like go higher. I'm expecting a retest over here as well. This order block. Yeah, we're expecting price retest over here. This fair value gap-ish. So yeah, that's pretty much how I do my charting. So I'm expecting price to drop. Either have a reaction here. Sorry. Either have a reaction here. Right. If it sweeps this high again, I will in fact take a shot towards this point. Because if I can short this from like, let's say, I mean it swept this, but like there's a lot of equal highs over here. This is such a rangy market though. I don't want to take like a, yeah, it's like a almost 1-3. But yeah, let's see how this plays out, because I don't really want to like entry right now. It's way too choppy. There's an order block here, like this far. Yeah, it was pretty like it was tapped back into, but I'm expecting a price retest right here. This is a price retest, so I'm expecting an entry right here, and then fucking take this fair value gap all the way towards at least towards this draw. It's like a 1 or 2. I take like a 1 or 2. That's all good. It's like 1 or 2.3. Let's see. So let's see how this plays out, because I'm expecting price to like first take this out and then go lower, much lower, because it needs to sort of rebalance this fair value gap. It's probably gonna rebalance and go higher. Anyways, that's just too much analysis at this point. Euro USD. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it seems like we have. It seems like we're sweeping this high. As you can see, there's a liquidity sweep right here. I'm expecting price rebalance. So you see this manipulation, and you see this fair value gap, and this is an order block right here. So I'm expecting on the, let's go to weekly, my bad. So I'm expecting price retest towards let's see, the manipulation clearly. I don't think it will reach for that high. Manipulation, we are expecting price to distribute lower towards a order block, which is this one right here. So expecting price to rebalance this order block and then go higher, because even though this was mitigated, this wasn't. So I'm expecting price to go lower throughout the next few weeks. So apart from that, we have the daily, which is yeah, so we can see that this is a manipulation, obviously only even on the daily. So maybe there will be a price reaction over here. Unlikely though. It's gonna be like a sharp turn, and then mitigate through this. So yeah, this is basically like an order block here as well. But again, we have a bearish daily bias. Okay, so we'll note that down. Bearish weekly bias, bearish daily bias, and on the on the 4-hour, as you can see, this is sweeping liquidity, and it seems to be like sweeping this as well. So I'm expecting a inverse fair value gap to take price lower, at least towards this point, which is parallel to an order block, as you can see. Coincidence? I don't think so. So basically, I'm expecting price retest. Fuck. Expecting price retest today. So I'm expecting price to retest, retap, and then go higher. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's see what's going on here. All right. So as you can see, we get a much bigger picture. So this was a very, very fucking awful ranging trade. So I would probably short. So you see over here, this was taken out. So what I'm expecting here, right? I'm expecting, so as you can see, obviously it's reaching for like these lows at least, right? Oh, 71% retest, or 50% retest. Let's see. Is it a 71 or 50? My bad. think it's a 50 retest, but then like it's going towards 71, which means it will most likely complete this most full cycle, right? But the only problem, that I have here, right, is the fact that this huge fair value gap, right, because it's inversed, I'm expecting price to sort of drop like all the way to this fucking low. But here's the problem, right? This fucking low right here is kind of stupid if you think about it. Like this low, I don't really expect price to like bounce off this shit. So what I'm expecting price to do right here is use this inverse fair value gap. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, this was already mitigated. This was already mitigated. And let's see. We don't really see any fair value yet. Because price seems to be pretty balanced out. Let's see. Price seems to be balanced out. So I'm expecting price to just keep going lower towards this. But before that, I need a proper sweep above because it doesn't seem like it's not convincing enough. It seems like equalize at this point. We have a slight sweep, but it's okay. See how this plays out. Yeah. So pretty much. Why do I have this shit open? Fucking SML. All right. So anyways, we have. I don't think I would trade Euro USD today. I'm a computer bug, but I do have my setups for gold. Because when it pulls back here, I will take this. Gold has a bullish bias and surprisingly a bullish weekly bias, a bullish daily bias, and a fucking bullish trade. So that's fucking wild. So let me just note this down, right? Bullish, fuck. My bad. Sorry, what the fuck just happened? Bullish weekly bias, bullish daily bias, and bullish 4-hour 15-minute pullback FBG entry. That's basically the setup. If you go to 15-minute, as you can see, right? Go to the 15-minute. Where is it? As you can see, it pulls back and it goes higher towards the same draw. So we can already see the fact that this is going lower. Maybe I have a shot this. I don't know. I don't think so. Because you can get like a smooth 1-2. Minimum 1-2. See? You can get a smooth 1-2. Smooth operator. So if I see like a good fair value gap somewhere around here, then I'll take like a 1-2. Because I feel like there's gonna be like a huge weird price imbalance over here. It's gonna like reverse at some point. So I'm expecting price to sort of reverse this point too. So especially price to reverse at this point or this point. So these are levels that I'm gonna keep an eye on. So okay, so I'm expecting price to let's see if we get like a proper order block. If we do find a proper order block, then I will take this trade lower. I'm expecting the fair value gap or the order block entry to be confirmed somewhere here. If I could take like a 1-2 almost 3, I'd be so happy. I don't want to really short it all the way here though. That's like a 1-4, but I wouldn't consider that. Maybe I'll cancel this like yeah, I'll take it all the way here, but I would cancel this somewhere like over here. Because I don't really want to take it all the way. So I'm expecting like an order block over here and then like take it lower. So I'm expecting to do on gold. And you see these manipulations, so I'm expecting a distribution like right after. So anyways, let's go back to US 100. It's basically NASDAQ. So we have a bullish overall. We have a bearish daily bias, right? Let's note things down so it's easier to identify what's going on. So we swept this. No, we didn't really sweep this. Okay, it's going towards sweeping this. No, we did. Oh, bad. So we'll go lower, right? Because we swept, but it seems like it's kind of indecisive right now. Let's go to the daily. So it seems like we have the manipulation right after, as you can see. So let's go towards let's put some text. Let's say weekly is bullish weekly bias question mark. That's kind of I'm kind of skeptical on that low key, because it seems like it wants to like take more, like induce price further and then go lower, because price seems to be pretty balanced out, as you can see. On the daily bias, as you can see, there is a 4 hour early gap. So overall, on the daily bias, we are bullish as well. And before bearish 4 hour disrespected. Bearish 4 hour future being disrespected. Bro, can I edit this? Alright, for future being disrespected. And after this, we have let's see, we have a 15-minute fair value gap somewhere here. So where the fuck is it? It's over here. Alright. So I'm expecting to take price lower, to be honest. Yep. So this is basically the price retest, as you can see. Alright. So yeah, so I'm expecting price to sort of retest this and then go higher. Because as you can see, Dow Jones seems to have taken this high out again. So it's like bullish overall. This is such a weird Shark Tank type, because they took out these eyes, as you can see. Took out these eyes and then consolidated for a while. So I'm expecting price to take out the highs on NASDAQ too, and Q. It's definitely gonna like pull back and then go higher, as you can see. Pull back, go higher towards like this. Yeah, it's pretty simple if you think about it. It's easy. Yep. It's pretty fucking simple. So I'm expecting price to pull back and then go higher towards this draw. This is an auto block here. Yeah, it seems to have reclaimed that, that's fine. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to pull back and then go higher towards. I'm expecting 1 to 3. That's how good. Because it keeps breaking structure towards the upside, but we are on premium though. That's the only problem that I have. We are in extreme premium. But it's okay, we'll take this trade, who gives a fuck? Because we can target auto flow, like for this. Because we have like a proper nice zone. If it pulls back, we can target these zones, considering auto flow. And then target to go higher. Because as you can see, divergence says so. See, divergence says so. So we do have the full cycle being completed, and seems to be sweeping. See, it's sweeping this cycle, as you can see. Only DJ is delayed, so I gotta make sure I stay up to date with DJ. I mean NQ. So DJ is fine, but then NQ is delayed, as you can see. So I'm expecting a price pullback, and then after this sweep, I'm expecting a price pullback, and then retrace higher towards this draw right here. Where the fuck? I can't speak for some reason. I don't know why. My fucking voice is like fuck today. Anyways, you can see that this is a swing high, swing low. Let's see this. We're on a wait, sorry. Let me invert this. Alright. As you can see, we are at, this is an extreme premium zone, so I'm expecting price retest here, and then I'm expecting price to take it higher. Because if it's retesting, this is exactly lining up with 71%. So if it's retesting this, and taking I'm gonna take this higher towards this draw. At least get like a 1 and 3 out of this. Yeah, there we go. Consider order flow as my stop loss right here, parallel to this. Yeah, so I'm expecting price pullback, so let's see which one gives me the opportunity first. And we seem to be retesting this. Yeah, I'm expecting a price retest. Yep. It's probably gonna be like around here. Like I'm gonna expect for like at least like a 1 or 2, and then a price retest sort of rebalances fair value gap, and then go higher. Where I can't speak. Alternatively, I'm expecting price to go even lower, sweep these lows, right? Sweep these lows, and then go higher at around here after creating a swing low over here. That's why I put both of these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see which one gives us the opportunity. Let's see. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, fuck. The fuck? Yeah, so I'm expecting price retest over here. I put like a sell order. Honestly, yeah, I don't want to do that because I don't really know where the fuck it's gonna like go to, you know. Like for the liquidity sweep, it might even like go here. But at a minimum, like I want like a 1 to 2, like see, it's like a 1 to 2 minimum. If I get like a 1 or 2 minimum, that would be ideal. Let's see what's happening on Euro USD. So we have an order block over here, so I'm expecting a price retest at this range. Inverse fair value gap. Taps back, lower, 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 lower. As you can see, this is a inverse fair value gap. Boom. TP. Taps. Goes lower. Keeps going lower, see? Taps lower. Taps lower. And then we have this auto block over here. Taps lower. So if we have an extremely bearish bias over here. So I'm expecting price to even on this, I'm expecting price to just rebalance and then go higher. Either that or just keep going lower. I can't tell. But it seems like it's on a smooth up run though. So it seems like price is consistently on a smooth up run, but except for here, this is in June. So yeah, price seems to be. I want to look at like some reports on. Actually, what up? USD against Euro. See how the divergence is. So it's going bullish. It's basically the same chart upside down. If you think about it. See? and like, you know, inverse overall. Yeah, so we are extremely bearish on the real Euro USD chart. So USD Euro. Fuck, that was the wrong one. We compare. Mikasa, yes, sir. Alright, so we can see that this is expecting price retest here, low key. Yeah, it doesn't. Divergence is not telling me much. It's all good. Expecting to take this trade from here. If it gives me like a proper ratio, then I'll take it from here all the way towards this swing. We get a 1 and 2.5. Yes, sir. Oh my god. We have some pretty good trades. I just need to see which one plays out the way I want it to. Not way too much, but the closest to what I want it to play out as, so that way I have the most confidence in the setup that I take. So, yep. Yippee. What the fuck? Yeah, so I'm expecting price rebalance in this fair value gap as well. So I'm expecting some sort of rebalance at this range, because it needs to sort of go lower. If it's going lower, it's gonna rebalance this at most, and then like do that. It's like a 1 to almost 3. So that's all good. But ideally, I would want something like this. At this, there we go. Let's see which one plays out. I should not clutter my, okay. So this is the trade that I'm trying to take right now. So let me take that back, but I put that like somewhere. No, sorry. I take that to the side, to be honest. It's up to you. This is falling behind, like, yeah, because these highs were taken out. Look, these highs were taken out, and even sweeps liquidity. So, yo, NASDAQ is like kind of delayed. It's like super delayed. Like, if you think about it, this is like the most delayed market on the planet as of right now. Look at that. So, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? I'm about to blow. Yeah, so whatever that looks convincing, I'm gonna take it. Whatever that looks convincing. So yeah, those are pretty much my setups for today. So let's see which one plays out the way I want it to. And let's see which one I'll take depending on the way it plays out. So yeah, pretty much as of right now, I'm just gonna wait and see you know, what price does, and let's hope for the best, I guess. So we don't really have, okay, before you guys go, Forex Factory. So we don't really have any red folder news today. I don't really give a fuck about this. So I think during AM session, I should be able to take these trades because it's gonna be about AM session by the time. Yeah. Yikes. We have equal highs over here, so I'm expecting a sweep first, or even like a sweep here and then go higher towards this. So I need to see something like that, because I'm not trying to take like some random trades. Femdom. So you see this? Inverse fair value gap keeps going lower. USD JPY. Yeah, see this the order block. There we go. So we see the price retest over here. I was like, type shit. See this price retest, you tap back and go lower. This is fucking cool. Like, this is like super. See that? So yeah, I'm not really confident in USD JPY though. That's one of those pairs that I don't really want to trade. You know, I don't know why. It just gives me. It's like subjective, I guess, but gives me like bad vibes for some reason. Like I don't really want to like trade USD JPY, but I'm expecting price retracement and then take any of these setups, any of the other setups. So I don't really want to even bother charting on this. I don't know. It's just I don't really like it. But this is cool. After sweep, I think price lower whenever it sweeps. So I have a few setups here. I can disregard this. So I have this, this, and so let me just note down which one is first. Seems like we have. Seems like gold is first. So let me just note it down. Gold. Come. Sir. The NASDAQ is second. Third. Euro USD. Yeah, I think Euro USD is third. Euro USD is third. And JPY. No, I think no. This is wait. GBP USD. That's like fourth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really plan on trading any of these options, but you can trade these as well. Let's do some charting just in case, you know. I don't really know when. Can I trade options on Maven? No, I don't think so, yeah. I think, oh, yeah, I can't. Tesla. Nope. Let's see, QQQ. Nope. Oh, wait, there are. Wait, hold up. Okay, wait, never mind. Then we can find it. It's like QQQ. Nope. Tesla. Nope. AAP. Nope. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Anyways, let's wait for these price retests. Let's come back afterwards. So I just want to like make sure we go for these retests and